Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ignore contacts in your friend list on Discord mobile, for example using your Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here on your mobile phone, access the Discord app and also access the list of your chats and conversations. Tap into the user you would like to ignore next. Ignoring is not the same as blocking, guys. That's the difference. I'm going to explain to you just in a moment what the main difference is. So simply tap into the username here at the top you would like to ignore, and what you want to do after that is simply tap into that gear icon in the top right corner and select profile from that menu. Next, tap into the three dots here in the top right corner and select ignore. Now, as previously mentioned, guys, ignoring and blocking are two different actions. For example, if I block someone, the given user won't be able to send any messages anymore. Though if I tap into ignore, let us tap into it for demonstration purposes. The given user will still be able to send you messages, but you won't receive, or their profile and messages will not be visible anymore for you, and also all notifications from messages, for example, the given user sends you, as well as all activity will be muted for you. But you can, they can still message you, as you can see, and also see your activity, which is very different from blocking someone, because blocking will basically, block the given user and not allow them anymore to see your activity. So tap into ignore at the bottom, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.